Installing Adobe Photoshop CC, CC for Creative Cloud. As all things are with Adobe, you start at adobe.com. If you haven't already signed up for a Creative Cloud account and are paying your appropriate fees, you'll need to do that first. I'm going to assume you have an account, as I do, and are subscribed to it. That's how you get Photoshop. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And you can see here in Manage Account, Desktop Downloads is what we're looking for. There are two approaches. I'm going to go ahead and start the Photoshop download right away. Get that underway. And go ahead and save and then run the installer once it is done. Yes, please. And as with most large program installers these days, you end up downloading an app of your own, a small app that then in turn downloads the actual app. So they're actually downloading a downloader that you then use to download the program. So we'll just sign into my account here, again, in that installer. Sure. So what I'm not sure, and the reason I say there's two ways to do this, is whether or not installing Photoshop will also install the Creative Cloud app. You can see that the installer is going underway. So I'm going to flip back over here to the page that we started on, which included this Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud is a small app that actually has quick links to all of the applications and a few other features that are available in your Creative Cloud subscription. In my case, I'm only really interested in Photoshop and probably Bridge at some point when I'm done with the Photoshop download. But Photoshop is the biggie for me. It's the reason I have the subscription. So we're going to go ahead and let the Photoshop installation continue. And then we will see exactly whether or not the Creative Cloud app has also been installed. If it has, then I'll use that to install Bridge. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and install the Creative Cloud app myself. And there we are. Installation is complete, and here comes Photoshop. So you can see that Adobe allows you to have these products installed on up to 2 machines. Since I am in the process of moving from one machine to another, I need to actually disable one of the other machines. Noten Mac 2, as it turns out, is my MacBook Pro that initiated my new machine because it became unreliable. So that's the one I'm going to sign out from. And now this device, my current PC, is going to take on that activation. Photoshop is here. So I'm going to close that and answer the question that I asked earlier, which was, is the Creative Cloud app installed? And in fact, it is. Here you can see all of the apps that are available as part of the Creative Cloud subscription and install whatever other apps you might want. In my case, I'll probably come back and install Bridge. I'll let that happen. I'm not going to make you watch it, but that's how you go about installing Photoshop.